Coca-Cola, Pepsi-Cola, 7-Up, Canada Dry, instantly recognized soft drinks we see and taste every day. Soft drinks are North America's #1 beverage, and every year we consume more soft drinks than all other beverages, including coffee and water. It's a multi-billion-dollar business that enjoys substantial yearly growth, and our insatiable demand is serviced daily by the truckload from some of the world's largest corporations. So what does all this mean to you? Well, very simply, there's a fabulous opportunity for you to capitalize on a tremendous untapped segment of the huge soft drink market. A chance for you to operate your own successful independent business while enjoying the profits and lifestyle satisfaction that go along with it. It's all right here with Fresh-O-Matic's new compact wall-mounted cold drink machine. Did you know that this year products worth more than $20 billion will be merchandised through vending machines? Did you know that canned soft drinks outsell all other categories, boasting more than $5 billion in annual sales? It's true. Now, consider this. Large vending companies provide floor model soft drink machines to factories, warehouses, gas stations, hospitals, and other major locations. But are you aware that 70% of all North American businesses are small and medium-sized companies with 5 to 75 employees that rarely benefit from the convenience of a cold drink machine? What an opportunity! Over 3 million locations nationwide would like to have a cold drink machine just like the larger locations, but they don't have one. Why? Because these smaller companies don't have the large volumes required by vending operators to support and maintain regular machines, and these smaller locations also have limited floor space. But now they can enjoy the are so easily placed. There's no commercial look, and they blend into any environment just like a picture. Cans are simply loaded into the 3 columns and are fed to the customer by gravity. There's no electronic delivery system to jam up, and customers see what they get every time. The vendor is secure. Beverage doors stay locked until the money is deposited, and if the column is sold out, it says so. Vandalism and damage do not present a problem because your machines are always placed in supervised areas only. You won't need any special technical skills because the compact vendor was especially designed with a simple snap-in, snap-out parts replacement system, which can be easily learned by anyone. The unique injection molded vending sleeve can be replaced in a matter of seconds for easy cleaning and service. It's a system designed with you in mind, using the finest quality materials and technology to maximize your profits and virtually eliminate maintenance problems. The machine carries a warranty, backed by the leaders in research and electronics of our industry, and probably North America's best-known manufacturer of electronic coin devices. And there's more. A sealed meter ensures that you keep track of every single purchase. There's a high security recessed door, ace lock, and locking bar. And the advanced, reliable coin mechanism rejects bad coins and minimizes jamming. What could be more simple? All you do is keep the compact vendors well stocked with your customers' favorite soft drinks and collect the profits. Profits that grow as you build up the number of machines you have in place and increase your buying power. Profits that come from a strictly cash business with no overhead and collection problems. Sound good? More than 10,000 machines have been successfully placed so far as a result of the local marketing efforts from our head office. These are machines placed by men and women just like you, who began with only a few machines and built their business while maintaining regular jobs. Many are now managing dealerships on a full-time basis, owning networks of 50 or 60 vendors, and enjoying substantial profits with the satisfaction of running their own business. Now, with this initial success, Fresh-O-Matic is expanding its program nationwide and overseas. It's clear the Fresh-O-Matic opportunity makes great business sense, especially when you consider that millions of dollars are spent annually by the soft drink manufacturers, creating tremendous demand for their products, directly benefiting you as a Fresh-O-Matic distributor. So what's left? Your move to take the first step in changing your future. Fresh-O-Matic will show you just how easy it is to get started in your own compact vending machine dealership. You'll begin making profits immediately through machines you own with little startup capital and no fees or royalties to pay. You'll benefit from the huge public thirst and high demand for soft drinks and the advertising that keeps it that way. You'll solve problems faced by every company when it comes to providing refreshments. You'll work in a cash business, expanding at your own pace without requiring selling skills. And you'll take advantage of the latest worry-free vending technology with our unique wall-mounted cold drink machines. And finally, consider this. 5 to 10 years from now, the North American saturation of compact vendors will grow to over 500,000 machines. More than 95% of Fresh-O-Matic's potential market is unfilled today. That means the best locations are yet to come, right at your fingertips. The vending professionals at Fresh-O-Matic will show you how easy it is to get started in your own compact cold drink machine dealership. They'll be glad to show you how to start small and build your own business to any size you desire. Now, you can enjoy the rewards of owning your own successful independent business. So take that first step toward changing your future today with Fresh-O-Matic.